And more news coming in. This has got to do with the Pune car accident where Pune Crime Branch is to record the statement of driver Gangaram's wife as the prime witness in front of the magistrate against Surendra and Vishal Agarwal in the abduction case. These are details that we have with us as far as the Porsche accident is concerned. The crime branch is now going to be recording the statement of the driver Gangaram's wife as the prime witness in front of the magistrate. Divyesh continues to be with us on that story. Divyesh, in fact, the driver was being forced to take the blame on himself to confess to him driving the car. Now, he's gone on to list out in greater detail on how he was being coerced, even threatened into taking blame on him. What role does the wife play here?
Well, Sneha, the wife of driver Gangaram was the one who, after 2 days, remember, on 19th the accident happened. On 20th night, Gangaram was abducted by Surendra Agarwal in his BMW car and taken to his residence, where he kept him for 2 days confined in a room. When he did not return home for 2 days, it was the wife of Gangaram who, along with some other relatives, reached Agarwal's residence, and there she protested that her husband was forcibly confined, abducted and kept in the house. That is when she got him released. She rescued him from Agarwal and took him back home. So these are the details that have come out in statement of driver Gangaram, and his wife being the prime witness, because she is the one who rescued him. She will give further details on what actually happened, how she rescued him. That needs to be recorded. And police officials are recording her statement. They have recorded her initial statement. Now her statement will be recorded under 164 CRPC in front of a magistrate, so that even if she withdraws her statement in future, she cannot withdraw her statement. She cannot make any changes to the statement that is given in front of a magistrate, and it will be used as evidence against Surendra and Vishal Agarwal.
All right, thanking you for the moment, for getting us up to speed with those details, Divyesh, with that report. India Today's relentless coverage of the Pune Porsche horror makes big impact. In the latest, the Pune police have arrested Surendra Agarwal, grandfather of the accused teen, threatening the driver to take blame for the deadly crash. Yesterday, in yet another mega India Today impact, COP extended accused minor's father's judicial custody also by 14 days. 2 Pune cops have also been suspended for not informing seniors about the Porsche crash on time. The driver in his complaint to the police revealed the big cover-up plot. He told the cops he was forced to accept that he was driving Porsche on the fateful night. He was threatened of dire consequences by the teenager's grandfather if he wouldn't agree to the crime. As the chorus for justice grows, the big question remains the same. Will the 17-year-old accused brat who knocked down 2 techies be tried as an adult?
ड्राइवर को दिन भर पुलिस स्टेशन में विचार पूछ किया गया था। ड्राइवर को रात में 11 बजे के आसपास जब पुलिस स्टेशन से छोड़ा गया तो ड्राइवर घर जाना चाहता था, परंतु आरोपी ने उसको जबरदस्ती अपनी गाड़ी में बैठाया और अपने घर पे ले गए। वहां पे ले जाने के बाद उसका मोबाइल उन्होंने उससे छीना और अपने ताबे में लिया और इसको वहां पे कमरे में बंद करके उसको पहले प्रलोभन और उसके बाद दबाव, दमदाटी, इस प्रकार की उसको कंडक्ट की गई। अगले दिन दोपहर तक जब वो घर नहीं पहुंचा तो उसकी वाइफ और उसके बच्चे और नातेवाईक खोजते हुए इनके आरोपी के घर पे पहुंचे और उन्होंने वहां पे थोड़ा सा हंगामा किया और उन्होंने इसको ड्राइवर को जबरदस्ती वो कंपनी का कपड़ा उतार दो और तुमको इनकी नौकरी करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इस प्रकार का कह के उसको वो वहां से ले गए। ड्राइवर अत्यंत घबराए हुए वातावरण में था। उसको परसों रात को क्राइम ब्रांच ने ट्रेस करके लाया था। उसकी स्टेटमेंट प्राथमिक हुई, जिसमें इस प्रकार की स्टेटमेंट उसकी सामने आई थी। कल उसकी प्रिलिमिनरी कोरोबोरेशन की